Hello everybody, myself Jyoti, and today we are going to talk about Viva questions related to experiment surface tension using Quincke's method. Okay, so first question which can be asked is, for what purpose this Quincke's method is generally used? So this method is used for finding out surface tension of liquids, and specifically it is used for finding out surface tension of those liquids which does not weight the surface. So you can take the example of mercury and glass plate. If you put a drop of mercury on the glass plate, it doesn't weight the surface of glass. So for such kind of liquids, we use Quincke's method to find out its surface tension. Why mercury does not weight the surface of glass plate? So in case of mercury, the cohesive force it is greater than adhesive force, and that is how mercury does not weight the surface of glass plate. Now what is mean by cohesive force? Cohesive force is the action or property of like molecules sticking together being mutually attractive. That means it is the suppose the force which is present between the mercury molecules, that is cohesive force. And the what is adhesive force? Adhesive force refers to the attractive force between unlike substance. So here when we talk about mercury and glass plate, there are two forces: cohesive force which exists between two mercury molecules, and adhesive force which exists between mercury molecule and glass plate molecule. Now as cohesive force it is more, that means the force between the two mercury molecules it is more as compared to the adhesive force, therefore it doesn't weight the surface of glass plate. What are the different forces acting on the mercury drop? So here we have gravitational force and surface tension force which acts on the mercury drop. This gravitational force which acts on the mercury drop try to make the drop of mercury flat, and the surface tension force which acts on the drop tries to make the mercury drop spherical in shape. Now, but when you look at the shape of the mercury drop which is there, it is sessile shape. So what is sessile shape? Sessile shape, it is the shape which is neither flat nor spherical. So Quincke's method, basically it is used for finding out the surface tension of mercury. So this method is also called as sessile drop method. What is the unit and dimension of surface tension? So unit is Newton per meter, dimension is mLt raised to minus 1. So what is surface tension? So if we define the surface tension, basically it is the force acting tangential to the liquid surface and perpendicular to the unit length of an imaginary line drawn on the surface of liquid. So if you check the definition of surface tension, then also you will know that the unit of surface tension it is force per unit length, that is Newton per meter. Next is, what is angle of contact? So angle of contact between the tangent, the angle between the tangent to the liquid surface at the point of contact and the solid inside the liquid, that is called as angle of contact. How does the surface tension vary with temperature? Is there any effect of temperature on the surface tension? So surface tension decreases with increase in temperature. So these are some kind of Viva questions which can be asked for this particular experiment. Thank you. Thank you so much.